Hi guys, it's Stevie from Planner Cookie Mama. It has been a long time since I've recorded a video, so I'm just going to jump back in with showing you my latest haul from One Crafty Country Girl. So the first thing that I got was this pen loop. Now, I didn't have one that was sort of really dark pink or red, so I decided to get this little red one, and as you can see, it has deer on it, which is One Crafty Country Girl's branding. And then I got some die cuts. Now, these die cuts are actually on sticker paper, so you can stick them into your planner as well as using them as part of your dashboard or whatever you want to use it as. So I got this Darling Deer Ravenclaw inspired. And then I'm going to be using this one on the dashboard of my college planner, part of my planner. If you can hear any weird noises, that would be my daughter in the background playing. So I really like this one kind of sitting on the stack of books. This is a study time Darling Deer. And then there was these die cuts. These are all from kits that Amber currently has on the website. So you've got this little, I think he's a polar bear.
Yeah, I think so.
This little polar bear. And then this wee rabbit. This is off the springtime kit. And these are all on sticker paper, so like the rest of the die cuts, you can, only Amber's older die cuts are on card rather than sticker paper, but this is high quality ones, so it's not like just thin paper, they're really nice. This is from the birthday kit. You can see this lovely little cupcake here. This penguin is from the New Year kit. And then the gingerbread kit. And then this is one of the Christmas kit. I think it's called Christmas Kisses. I could be totally lying. If I am, I will put in the description below what the name of the kits are. This is from the Perfect kit. And then just look how cute this little Darling Deer is in his little Christmas onesie. And then Darling looking at a snow-covered window. And Darling making snow angels. My wee girl really likes these two. These are her favourites, and Amber sent her some of them as well, so she's currently decorating her planner with them. Her planner that I've given her, made for her. So then I also got this Darling Deer Christmas deco sheet. So you've got Darling with the Christmas tree, with some presents and a stocking, with a snowman and a snow globe, with his family in the snow making cakes or cookies, another one with presents, another one of him in his wee Christmas onesie with hot chocolate by the fire making snow angels, with Santa in front at the looking out of a snow-covered window, and this one he's just in like a little Christmas jumper, but that is just so lovely. And then I was looking for ones to mark when I'm doing an ECDL at college, which is a European Computing Driver's License. And when it says drivers, it means like computer drivers. So when I have tests, I wanted to mark them, but I didn't want to use up all of my Darling Deer stickers. So I got these ones, and these are the Get It Girl stickers, so they're little laptops, which I thought was appropriate for computer assessments. And then we've got Darling Deer Planning Time, Darling Deer Studying. So this is just obviously the smaller versions of the big die cut that I have. Darling Reading Time, and I use these ones. I volunteer at the library at my daughter's school, so these are used to mark my volunteer time. And then I have the Gone Country ones. I just didn't have these ones and I thought they were really cute. I don't have any particular plan for them, but I really like them, so I got these ones. And then my little girl does, we call it football here in the UK, but in America you guys will call it soccer. But my little girl does soccer after school, so these are used to mark when she's got football practice. And then we've got the Darling Dear Girl Boss. I've got 2 sheets of those. I use these to mark assessments at college that aren't part of the ECDL, so my normal college assessments. So those were all the individual sticker sheets that I got. And then I got this. This kit's actually been on Amber's website for a while. It's a pocket, I want to say a pocket size TN kit, but the boxes are A5 size. So this is called To the Moon, and I've been wanting it for a while because it's just so pretty. If the camera's shaking, it's because my daughter keeps leaning on the table, but she's going to stop doing now, aren't you?
Yes.
So yeah, I've been wanting this for a while, and I finally decided it was time to get it, and I can't wait to use this in my new planner. I mean, just look how adorable these little bears are, and look at the detail in them. They've got like a forest scene inside the actual bear itself. They're just so gorgeous. So that's what those 2 are. Those are the forest scene, and then these ones have got like constellations in them. And then you've got your happy birthday, laundry day, happy mail, and bill due. You've got your day covers, this week, next week, weekend, your to-dos and todays, and your little things and remembers. So there's quite a lot on it for such a small like piece of paper, if you know what I mean. Like, it's not a small kit by any means. There's a lot on it. It's very very cute. And then I'll show these ones last. I was going to say I can't remember if I've shown this one before, but I know I haven't because I've not done a video in a while. So I'm just going to open these up. So, oh no, this one is the perfect kit. So the other one is Kitty Cuddles, the other one I showed you. No, sorry, I'm telling lies. I've not even shown that yet. The die cut that was the cat. This die cut, this is from the Kitty Cuddles kit. So this is called the Perfect Kit, and this is a good way to show Amber's new style, the way she's doing her kits now. So they've got little tabs at the top so you know what's on each page. So I really like the way these are laid out now. Makes it a lot easier to find things, certainly. So you've got your decorative boxes here. So you've got your, I love the little sleeping cat, it's so very cute. And then this says, you had me at meow, and the little sign here says, all you need is coffee, books and a cat. And if that said tea and some cats, that would definitely be me, because I love my books, I love tea, and I have 2 cats, one of which is trying to jump up on the table just now. Oreo, stay there. And then there's the... Will you stop running back and forward, please? And then we have the check boxes, which are all, as you can see, little paws. And then you've got your check flags, your hydrate sticker, your week sticker, weekend sticker, your 3 trackers. She's keeping the 3 trackers, which I love because I always use at least 3 trackers. 3 bill dues, and you've got washi and pens. And as always, the Sparkle in Life Every Day actually comes up, and you can use that as a sticker as well. And I'll actually show you. If Amelia, can you pass me that one, please?
Yes, I will.
Thank you.
There you go.
This is one of One Crafty Country Girls' sticker albums, and in here, every time you get a sticker sheet of Amber, it has one of these on it. So I have all of these. I take them all off and stick them on spare sticker backs so that I can use them, because I use one at least every week in my spread, and you can actually also buy sheets of them. So anyway, back to this kit. So that was your boxes and functional. And then this is your headers and little things. And as you can see, you've even got some deco strips there if you didn't want to use your to-dos, todays, or little things. No. And then you've got your washi strips for the bottom of your, because this is an Erin Condren kit, I should have said that right at the beginning, to cover up your bits at the bottom if you don't want to use them. And you've got your days of the week. And then deco and more. So you've got all your deco here, little darling dear. You've got your planner girl, your girl boss, Netflix binge, groceries, Happy Mail, buy all the stickers, payday. You've got a couple of half boxes. You've got some half check boxes, and then you've got your deco that says don't stress me out. A little cat eye mask, a cup, your handbag, and it's got the little planners in it. It's really cute. The phone cover, you've got your planner, and then another planner there. Thank you for turning on that light, Amelia. That's not going to change anything. Right, so that's that kit. And then you've got your Oops-a-Daisy kit. That's what this kit is called, and it's one of my favourite kits. Amber actually had this kit before I even started PRing for her. She had a kit similar to this, and she had it for the Doki book, which I had. So again, you've got your full deco boxes here. So daisies will brighten your day.
Cat scratched me.
Okay. And you've got a full box that you can write in there as well. And you've got your checklist boxes. And as you can see, they're all daisies. Your checklist flags, and again, your hydrate, your week sticker, your weekly trackers, your bill dues, and your weekend. Your to-dos, today's little things, your deco boxes, your deco washi strips. Amelia, leave the cat alone and she won't scratch at you. Again, your big washi strips and your day covers. And your half boxes, sorry, and your deco again. So it's back to the beginning of that one. So those are the 6-page kits. And then we have these are called A5 kits, I think. Again, I will link all of these in the description below. So this is the perfect kit. So as you can see, you get quite a lot on here. You've got your decorative boxes, you are perfect. You've got your little cat, your quarter boxes, your washi, your day covers, little things to do, today's check flags, hello cat, meow, your weekend, some extra deco strips here, your cat deco, and your functional darling dear here. So this is the kitty cuddles kit. I think I just called it perfect again. It's because I saw that you are perfect. Yeah, so this is the kitty cuddles kit. And this is the format that Amber's been using for a lot of her recent kits. So that was that one. And then this one is the Winter Friends kit. So it's exactly the same layout, only you've got obviously different, the characters are different. So this one's quite good if you didn't want like a Christmas kit, because obviously winter runs from, well, in Scotland, winter runs from like September to May. But obviously winter is officially December to about February, so you can use this at any time in winter. You could use it whenever you wanted it if you just wanted to stay warm, but it's very, very cute, and I really, really love this one. And then we have the Winter Gingerbread 2-page kit. That's what they're known as, 2-page kits, not A5 kits. The 2-page kits, and again it's the same layout. But just how cute are these little gingerbread men. And I like that this one's quite pastel-y. Sometimes you can find that winter ones or Christmas ones are really in your face. But I really like the pastel colours on these ones. And then this one is Christmas Cuddles, which is what I would usually use, or what I'm going to use for this coming week. I'm going to redecorate. Amelia, will you stop opening that door, please? I'm going to use for this week, obviously for the run up to Christmas, because it's Christmas in a couple of days. So you've got winter time, meet me under the mistletoe, and then you've got Mr. and Mrs. Snowman giving each other kisses there. It's really cute. And again, this isn't a really in your face kit. It's even though there's like quite bright colours in it, they're muted, and there's a lot of pastel colours in there as well, so it's very, very, it's a very subtle kit, and I really love it. And then this one I'll be using to decorate next week for, this is the New Year kit, New Year 2020. And I really love the little penguin with the hat on. It's just so cute. And then you've got your 2020 and your Happy New Year box. And you've got a Happy New Year strip here as well. And even a little Happy New Year sticker here. So there's plenty there to use on your spread. And then this one, this is Springtime Bunnies, this one is called. And again, this one's, the colours on these are just gorgeous. They're really, really lovely, light colours, nice spring, refreshing. You can put that in the bucket if you want. Yeah, this one's going to be saved, and I'm going to use this on Easter weekend. On the week of Easter, I would think. It's just so cute. And I really like the fact you've got a little bunny family here and it says hello. And then finally, this is the Birthday Wishes kit. And I think this one has to be my favourite of all the kits. So you've got Make a Wish, you've got a little parcel with star balloons, a wee cake. And then it says Make a Wish there. So it is a birthday kit, obviously, because you've got the cakes and stuff. But you could use it for anniversary or any other kind of celebration, because even though it's called Birthday Wishes Kit, there's nothing on it that says birthday. So you can use it for any sort of celebration that you want to use it for, or even if you're just feeling in a rather playful mood, you can use it. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I will leave a link in the description below, and my discount code for One Crafty Country Girl, so you can go and check out all of these and more on her website. I'll also leave a link to the individual kits that I bought, so that you can go, or the links to the individual kits that I bought, so you can go straight to them if there are any of them that you particularly liked. And as always, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you next time. Happy planning, guys. Have a lovely, lovely Christmas and a wonderful New Year. Bye.
That was my